Hello everybody, welcome to Urdu grammar lesson. In this lesson I will teach you how to use is, am, are in Urdu language. In Urdu language we have hai, ho, hu and hain. First we have hai. In English language hai is. So in English language where we need to use is, in Urdu language we will use hai. For example, he is a boy. वो एक लड़का है. is a boy, लड़का है. Another example, she is teacher. वो उस्ताद है. वो उस्ताद है. So she is. We use है to translate is in Urdu language. So in any sentence we need to use is in English language. In Urdu language we will use है. Another example like in here I have this is a mobile. ये मोबाइल है. For example, this is a pen. ये पेन है. So है used for is in Urdu language. And next we have whom. So what is whom? Whom is am. In English language we use am with I. For example, I am a boy, I am a doctor, or I am ill. So in English language where we need to use am, in Urdu language we will use whom. For example, I am a boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. Another example, I am angry. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. So in any sentence you need to use am, you will use whom in Urdu language. Is it clear? है used for is, whom used for am. He is a boy. वो लड़का है. I am a boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. Okay, so move to next. Let's talk about हैं और हो. In English language we use are. You are a boy, they are a boy. In Urdu language when we need to translate are in Urdu from English to Urdu we use हैं और हो. But what is the difference between हैं and हो? Okay, let me explain you. There are two type of sentence in English language. Number one, you are a boy. आप एक लड़का हो. You are a teacher. आप एक टीचर हो. In this sentence we use are but the sentence is still singular. You are a teacher. You and teacher both singular noun. You are a boy. You and boy both singular noun. So in a sentence where we use are but the sentence is still give a singular sentence we use हो. For example, you are a boy. तुम एक लड़का हो. You are a teacher. तुम एक उस्ताद हो. And we use हैं in which are used for a plural sentence. For example, they are boys. They and boys give a sense that the sentence is plural. So they are boy. When we translate are from plural sentence we will use हैं. They are boys. वो लड़के हैं. Another example, they are teachers. They and teachers. वो उस्ताद हैं. So for a singular sentence, you are a teacher. आप उस्ताद हो. They are teachers. वो उस्ताद हैं. Is it clear? Let's have a quick revision that will help you to memorize very well. So very first we have है. है for is. He is a boy. वो लड़का है. She is a woman. वो woman है. Next we have whom. I am angry. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. I am boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. So for am we use whom. Okay, next we have हो. For singular are we use हो. You are a boy. तुम एक लड़का हो. You are a teacher. आप और तुम एक उस्ताद हो. Another example, you can say you are a policeman. तुम एक पुलिस वाले हो. Okay, so for हैं when we use are in a plural form we use हैं. They are teachers. वो उस्ताद हैं. They are students. वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं. See this example, you are student, तुम स्टूडेंट हो, they are students. So it's a plural sentence, therefore we are using हैं, वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Is it clear? I will also write this lesson in a description, you can find it here. And this is end of the lesson. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe me below for our next lesson. And if you want to talk to us at Skype, you can Skype us at Urdu Academy Jakarta at Skype. So in our next lesson we will talk about how to use. I had in my mind to tell you something, but I am forgetting. Oh, good, I get idea. In our next lesson we will talk about how to use he, she, they or his and her. In a simple way I will teach you how to use this all, and with this you can make a sentence. So in this lesson you already learned how to make a small sentence by using is, am, are. It is a pen, this is a pen, ये पेन है. Okay, so this is a गिलास, ये गिलास है. Is it clear? So you are a teacher, तुम एक उस्ताद हो. You are a man, तुम एक आदमी हो. With this you can make a small sentence which have a sense to continue your Urdu speaking. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.